Welcome to my channel. We're over here. It's called Viewpoint. That's a view of the Rift Valley. That's my kiddo. This looks really nice. Look at that. This is Kenya, people.
We are like tourists.
Yeah. You got it? We are machoka.
Unajua hajakula.
No, hakutaka kula. Sema. Asante.
The pond is so cool.
Yeah. And then I just like a lot. Hawa saa ile tumeingia, attitude imechange. Wameanza kutembea karibu, mi nikasema Kiswahili and then huyo akaretreat. Alijua hapa tuwezi pata anything. Yeah. This is spectacular view.
I love it.
Yeah, this is awesome. Oh man. Yep. That's my cousin, Joe. Ay, inakaa mzuri. They call this Rift Valley.
Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, thank you. From which country?
Si ni wa Kenya. Tunasikia tunaongea Kiswahili.
Oh, alikuwa nafikiri tumetoka ng'ambo.
I think she asked which country.
Okay.
Si ni wa Kenya. Si ni wa Kenya.
Yeah, it's okay. I need to go to the toilet. Do you think he's safe?
Yeah, I think so, yeah. 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 Yuko clean. Yuko clean. Clean in quotes. In quotes. Yeah, this Rift Valley, way over there. Let me zoom a little bit. You can see spectacular views. It's our driver. That's my kiddo, obviously. Subscribe, come back and watch more videos. We are vacationing in Kenya. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. You should come visit. You can't appreciate this view unless you're here in person. It's spectacular. See you in the next video. Peace out.